I'm Kapari Kishan, Senior Art Instructor at Johar Balban. Today we are organizing a painting competition for Twin Cities children, including Balban children also. So because of we are encouraging child creative talents this day, and we have given any choice because they can express their feelings very easily in different mediums like oil pastels and acrylics and pencil medium, poster colors like that. So we are given 1.5 hour duration, and I think 150 members came here, so they're enjoying a lot. So I wish to all the best for children, because when we are organizing painting competition, generally the children are used to do so many small themes like animals, separate themes, and birds and all things. When you are conducting painting competition, we'll give all one theme, certain theme. So they think start to how to compose the theme. For example, market scene. For example, bus stop. For example, save earth. So they will start the thinking, because how to compose and how to what the elements comes in painting. So that we are giving the mind work to the minds, children minds. So automatically they will develop, start the thinking, and they will depict the creative forms on the drawing sheet. Generally, we allowed 5 to 16 in Johar Balban. So I think 5-6 years they come regularly, so they will achieve a very good skill. But they have to come regularly, at least weekly, thrice and fourth. They have to attend the regular classes seriously, and evening also they have to use some sketching. And regularly they have to participate competitions and seminars, exhibitions. They have to see, and they have to study in magazines what the art going in world level and national level. So they will it's a process, they will learn like this. Each child, they have to develop in multi-talented, see, all-round development. That is very important. That's why the Balban is established by the government of Telangana. So we giving so many courses here, science, painting, library is there, and dance is there, instrumental music and tabla, veena, so many instruments there. So the instrument is giving mind relaxing and mental ability. They will achieve skills in fine arts. So compulsory every school they have to make the rule must and should. They have to learn physical education and art form. So painting like music, that's very important. When the child is learning music and physical activities, so they will become an all-round development. So that is very important. Not only studies, the human being means they have to develop complete all-round development, physically, mentally, and academically. So that is very important. Fine arts also.